Have you ever wondered why the rice at your favorite restaurant has that deep, golden hue and an aroma that hits you before the plate even touches the table? Imagine lifting the lid off a pot of biryani and the entire room just stops. That smell, that color. Today, I'll show you exactly what creates that magic. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're breaking down the Royal Aroma Mix, your ultimate spice blend for biryani, paella, and pilaf. 11 spices, perfectly balanced. Let's get into it. The foundation starts with cumin at 18%, earthy, smoky, and bold. The flavor your nose finds first. Coriander powder at 16% follows, warm and citrusy, giving the blend its full, round body. Turmeric and smoked paprika, each at 10%. Turmeric delivers that golden color and gentle depth, while smoked paprika adds richness and a stunning deep red. Your rice will look as good as it tastes. Rounding out the base, black pepper at 10%, sharp and essential. It keeps every other spice alive. Now here's where it gets royal. Cardamom at 8%, floral, sweet, exotic. The spice that makes people stop and ask, what is that smell? Garlic powder at 8%, deep, savory, grounding. The spice that makes everything feel like home. And cinnamon at 8%. Yes, cinnamon in a rice blend. Every great biryani chef knows this secret. It adds a gentle sweetness that ties all the bold flavors together beautifully. Cloves and bay leaf powder, each at 5%, small amounts, big impact. Cloves bring an intense floral punch. Bay leaf adds quiet herbal elegance. And the crown jewel, saffron at 2%, the most precious spice on earth. Just a whisper of it brings unmatched golden richness that nothing else can replicate. And as I promised, here is the complete Royal Aroma mix all in one place. Cumin, 18%, coriander, 16%, turmeric, 10%, smoked paprika, 10%, black pepper, 10%, cardamom, 8%, cinnamon, 8%, garlic powder, 8%, cloves, 5%, bay leaf, 5%, saffron, 2%. 11 spices, one legendary blend. Screenshot it. You'll want this later. Whether it's a show-stopping biryani, a vibrant paella, or a comforting pilaf, the Royal Aroma Mix does the heavy lifting so you get all the glory. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more flavor breakdowns, and tell me in the comments, which dish are you trying first? See you in the next one.